Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Cash App error and unexpected error occur. Please try again later. So guys, if you try to send money to someone and you're facing the error like this, then it means you are not giving correct information or CVV number is not correct here. Okay guys, so make sure that you are giving correct information about the receiver, and after that check if it's working or not. And if you are going to log in your account and still you are facing the error like this, then what you need to do is just simply close this page. And here are the 3 or 4 ways to fix your problem. For that, you have to open settings. Now after that, you have to make sure that you are properly connected with internet, and after that guys, you have to also make sure that you are using the latest version of the app. For that, you have to open App Store, Play Store, and there you have to search for Cash App and make sure that you have an updated version. So after that, check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then maybe your date and time is not correct, that's why it's not working for you. Or maybe you are connected with VPN, so you have to disconnect with VPN. After that, check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to log in your Snapchat account to the different device and check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open any browser in your phone and just simply you have to search for Cash App support. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to contact with Cash App team. You can also call with them, and you can also chat with them on social media platform, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.